Let's learn something amazing today.
I'm going to make spaghetti for dinner tonight. This will be so fun and yummy. The recipe says I need water first. I'll fill this giant pot all the way. Oops! The pot is too full now. Water is splashing everywhere. Oh no! Okay, let me try again with less water. Halfway should be perfect. Now I need spaghetti. This box has so many long noodles. How much should I use? I'll put the whole box in. Whoa! All the spaghetti won't fit. Noodles are falling everywhere. Oopsie. Let me pick these up. I used way too many.
This time I'll just use a little bit. Just a handful. Perfect! Now I drop them in the water. Plop! Plop!
The recipe says wait 10 minutes. But I'm so hungry. Let me check. Oh, wow! The spaghetti is getting long. Wait! I forgot the sauce. How much do I need? I'll add just 1 tiny spoon. 1 should be enough. The spaghetti is still all white. That's not right.
Okay, this time I'll add the whole jar then. Glug glug!
Oh no! Now there's way too much sauce. It's dripping. Maybe I need to measure things. Not too little, not too much. These cups help me measure. This one says 1 cup.
Let me start over and measure everything this time. New pot. 1, 2, 3, 4. The recipe says 4 cups of water. I'll count them.
And 1 handful of spaghetti for 1 person. That's me. Half a cup of sauce. Let me measure it. Perfect! Now I stir it all together. It looks just right.
Let's sing the measuring song. Not too much, not too little. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Can you count? Look! I made a perfect plate of spaghetti! It's so yummy!
I learned that measuring helps get everything just right. Not too much. Now I can share with my family. Sharing is caring.
Measuring is important when we cook. Fun and easy. Learn with me. Thanks for learning with me today. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, friends.